Welcome to ProBet Strategy. Today, we're going back to basics with a complete guide to sports betting. Whether you're totally new or just looking to brush up on the essentials, this video will give you all the knowledge you need to start betting smart. First up, let's cover the basics. Sports betting is all about predicting the outcome of games and events, but not all bets are created equal. Here are the main types you'll encounter. Moneyline bet. This is the simplest form of betting. You're just picking which team will win the game. Point spread. With the spread, the favorite has to win by a certain number of points, while the underdog can lose within that range and still win the bet. Over/under. Also known as totals, you're betting on whether the combined score of both teams will go over or under a set number. Now, let's talk about odds and what they mean. Odds show you how much you'll win if your bet is successful. There are three formats you'll see most often: American, decimal, and fractional. American odds. These are represented by positive and negative numbers. Positive odds show the underdog, while negative odds show the favorite. Decimal odds. This format is common in Europe and Canada. Just multiply your stake by the odds to see your potential payout. Fractional odds. These are popular in the UK and show profit relative to your stake. Keep in mind, the odds also reflect the implied probability of a result. Lower odds mean higher chances, but lower payouts. One of the most important skills for any bettor is bankroll management. This means deciding in advance how much you're willing to bet and sticking to it. It's tempting to go all in on big games, but responsible betting means never risking more than you can afford to lose. A good rule of thumb is to keep each bet to around 1 to 2% of your bankroll. This way, you stay in the game even if you hit a losing streak. Everyone makes mistakes starting out, but you can skip a lot of them if you know what to avoid. Here are the top pitfalls for new bettors. Betting without research. Don't bet on a team just because they're popular or it's your favorite. Look into recent stats, player form, injuries, and other factors. Chasing losses. After a loss, it's tempting to bet bigger to recover. But this often leads to more losses and frustration. Stick to your plan. Betting too many games. It's easy to get overexcited and bet on every game. Focus on quality over quantity. Now, let's talk about choosing a sportsbook. Choosing the right sportsbook can make a big difference in your betting experience. Look for platforms with good odds, user-friendly interfaces, and, if possible, bonuses for new users. Compare a few options to find the best one for your needs. Now that you know the basics, it's time to develop a strategy. This could mean specializing in one sport, tracking stats, or using betting systems like flat betting or value betting. Start small, test out different methods, and build a strategy that works for you. And that's it for our beginner's guide to sports betting. With these basics under your belt, you're ready to start betting smarter and make the most of your bets. Remember to bet responsibly, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ProBet Strategy, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more betting tips and strategies.